This Flash tutorial shows you how to create and edit gradients in Flash. We'll first create two types of gradients, linear and radial. Then we'll use the Gradient Transform tool and its various options to modify the gradient. Gradients can be created by modifying a fill. First, select the fill, then open the color panel. If your color panel is not currently available, open it by pressing Shift F9. In the color panel, select Linear from the Type drop-down list to create a linear gradient. Notice that the gray fill has been converted to a linear gradient that appears to change from white to black, from left to right. We can also change the colors of the gradient. To do so, select the fill and then return to the color panel. In the color panel, double-click the color pointer and use the eyedropper to select the desired color. Notice that the linear gradient now changes from green to black. Now let's experiment with the radial gradient. Once again, with the fill selected, choose Radial from the Type drop-down list in the color panel. This is a radial gradient. Notice that it appears circular and transitions into another color as we get further away from the center of the gradient. Now, let's take a look at the Gradient Transform tool. The rotation handle allows us to adjust how far the gradient expands from its center. The width handle enables us to modify the width of the gradient. And moving the focal point allows us to move the center of the gradient.